Hi everyone. Today I am going to share a recipe for a mango avocado smoothie. A refreshing, smooth, mildly sweet drink that's super easy to make at home. With just a few simple ingredients and about 5 minutes of prep time, you'll have a delicious smoothie that tastes just as good as one from a cafe. I'll display the full list of ingredients on screen, so feel free to save it. The method is really simple. I'll cut the mango and avocado and add them to a blender. The ideal ratio is 1 mango to 1 avocado. We'll also add unsweetened milk, condensed milk, a bit of sugar, some ice, and a touch of whipping cream to make the smoothie extra creamy and smooth. Now I'm going to blend everything together until smooth. Once everything is blended, this recipe makes about 3 cups, each around 300 milliliters. To garnish, you can add a few thin slices of mango and avocado, some chia seeds, and a sprig of mint. This will make the smoothie look more appealing and taste even better. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smoothie and refreshing drink recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.